Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.1, Problem 5. This is Section 4.1, Problem 5. It says one of the parking lots at BCC contains the following cars: 60 Toyotas, 44 Hondas, 8 Subarus, and 20 Fords. So for part A, write the ratio of Subarus to the ratio of Toyotas as a fraction in simplest form. So first, number of Subarus. How many Subarus do we have? It says we have 8 Subarus. And as a ratio, it'll be 8 to the number of Toyotas. So if I find the number of Toyotas, it says 60 Toyotas. So Toyotas is 60, 8 to 60 as a ratio. Now as a fraction, it would be 8 over 60. Now, it says simplest form, so I have to reduce that if I can. So they're both even, so I can at least cut them in half. But even better, I can reduce each one by 4. 4 divides into both 8 and 60 evenly. So 4 divides into 8 twice. 4 divides into 60 15 times. So my final answer for part A is 2 over 15. Now, B, write the ratio of Hondas to the total number of cars in the parking lot as a fraction in simplest form. So we have Hondas to total. So to get the total, I have some big numbers. What I can do is make a quick chart right here just to add it up and get the total. So it says 60 Toyotas, so I'll just do Toyota, 60. Honda's mentioned next with 44. Next was Subaru with 8. And Ford was the last one with 20. And let's calculate the total. 60, well, let's do 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 0 is 12. So I have 2 from the 12. Carry the 1 to the top of the next column. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. So the total number of cars in the parking lot is 132. I can write right next to that total. Now, back to the question, part B, the ratio of Hondas to the total. So Hondas is given at 44 to the total we figured out was 132. So there's a ratio of 44 to 132. Now let's convert that to a fraction. So the 44 would be in the numerator, the 132 in the denominator. And then it says simplest form, so I can reduce that. Now, they're both even. I'm guessing I can reduce them both by 4, the 44 for sure, the 132 probably also. But since it's even, let's just start with cutting it in half. It's oftentimes faster to just go with what you know. Half of 44 is 22. Half of 132 is 66. And now at this point I can see that it can be reduced. Again, they're both even, but I can see 11 goes into both of them. Actually, 22 goes into both. Right? 22 divides into 22 once. 22 divides into 66 3 times. So 1 over 3 is the fraction in simplest form.